Hi, my name is Daniel, and in this video I'll show you how to create a Creative Card Carousel and add it to a Shopify store. Let's get started. The Creative Card Carousel is a great addition to any website. To start, enter Common Ninja website. Choose your widget from our large collection of widgets. And once you've entered the widget page, click on the Create button to enter the editor. Here, in the editor, you can edit the content. Select a layout and a skin. Customize the look and feel. And change the settings. When you're done, click the Save Changes button to save your work. If you don't have an account on Common Ninja yet, you'll have to register first. When you're ready to add the widget to your website, go back to the dashboard. Now, on the dashboard, you'll see the widget you've created. Click on the Add to Website button. In the window that opens, copy the code. And close the window. Remember, you can always return to the widget and keep on editing it. Now, let's head to the Shopify editor. On the Shopify editor, enter the theme customization under the Online Store option. Now, you'll need to add a new section or a new block to your page. You can use the inline editor, or you can add a new section at any part of the page on the side panel. Select the Custom Liquid option. Click on the new section or block that was added to the page. Now, in the code window on the side panel, simply paste the code you've copied before. And click the Save button to save your changes. And that's it. Now, the Creative Card Carousel will show on your website.